Welcome to Lesson 1. By the end of this course, you will have a SQL project that runs every morning on its own, and when it breaks, an AI agent goes and finds out why. We start with the setup, because there is a decision in it that everything else rests on. Let us do the tables first. Most SQL tutorials hand you one table with clean numbers already in it. Real data does not arrive clean, so this project has two tables instead of one. Here is the first one. It is called Orders Raw, and I want you to look at the column types. Every single one of them is text. The order ID is text, the date is text, and the amount, the thing that is obviously a number, is also text. That is not laziness. When you load a CSV file, everything you get back is a string. So Orders Raw is the export exactly as it arrived from whatever system sent it, with nothing corrected and nothing thrown away. And here is the second table. This one is called Orders, and this is the table your business queries will actually read. Most of it looks the same, but two things changed. The amount column is now declared real, which means a floating point number, and at the very bottom, after the closing bracket, there is one word doing almost all the work in this project: strict. Let me show you what that word buys you. Without strict, SQLite will let you store the text n/a inside a column you declared as a number. It will not complain, not even a warning. And then when you sum that column, SQLite quietly treats that text as 0. Your revenue total comes out lower than it really is. Your job finishes successfully, and nobody finds out for a month. With strict, SQLite refuses the row and the job stops. You get a loud error at 7 in the morning instead of a wrong number in a board deck at 9. Now let us look at config.py. And the one rule in this course I want you to actually take seriously. This is where your API key gets read, and it is read exactly once. This line loads the .env file from disk. This line pulls the key out of it into a private variable and strips off any stray quote marks, because a quote glued to the front of a key comes back from the server as a plain authentication error, and you will lose 20 minutes to it. And then look at this function, called mask. It takes your key and returns the first 8 characters, 3 dots, and the last 4. That is the only way anything in this project is allowed to show your key. Not in a log file, not in a report, not on your screen while you are recording a video like this one. The .env file is listed in .gitignore, so it never reaches GitHub either. If you take one thing away from Lesson 1, take that. Your key is read in one place and displayed in none. In Lesson 2, we put the data in, including the rows that are going to break all of this.